Student, good morning. Children, today I will discuss some more problems related to inverse variation. First of all, take one example. In a fort, 300 men had provisions for 90 days. After 20 days, 50 men left the fort. How long would the food last at the same rate? Solution is here. Clearly, the remaining food is sufficient for 300 men for 90 minus 20. 90 minus 20 is equal 70 days. But remaining number of men is equal 300 minus 50 is equal 250. Let the remaining food be sufficient for 250 men for X days. Let the remaining food be sufficient for 250 men for X days. Then we have in given table number of men 300 men is here, sufficient for 70 days, because after 20 days 50 men are left. So 90 minus 20 is equal 70, and remaining men 250 is here, sufficient for X days. It is a case of inverse variation. Therefore, 300 into 70 is equal to 250 into X. Therefore, X is equal 300 into 70 by 250. 0 cancel. When we divide 300 by 25, we get result 12. Therefore, 12 into 7 is equal 84. Hence, required number of days equal 24. Clear? Now, take another example. 6 pipes can fill a tank in 1 hour 24 minutes. How long will it take to fill the tank if 7 pipes of the same type are used? Same type are used. Solution is here. 1 hour 24 minutes is equal 84 minutes. 1 hour equal 60 minutes, and 24 plus 24. So 60 plus 24 is equal 84 minutes. Now let 7 pipes fill the tank in X minutes. Then we have number of pipes 6 and time taken 84 minutes. 60 plus 24 is equal 84 minutes. 84 is here, and then 7 pipes can fill x minutes. Clearly, more pipes fill the tank in less time. More pipes will fill the tank in less time. So it is a case of variation. Inverse variation. Therefore, 6 into 84 is equal 7 into x. Therefore, x is equal 6 into 84 by 7. When we divide 84 by 7, we get result 12. So, 6 into 12, the product will be 72. Hence, required time to fill the tank 72 minutes. 72 minutes is equal 1 hour 12 minutes. 1 hour 12 minutes. Clear? Now take another example. If 50 men can repair a road in 24 days, if 15 men can repair a road in 24 days, then how long will it take 9 men to repair the same road? Solution is here. Let time taken to repair the road by 9 men is equal x days. Then we have in given table number of men is equal 15. Time taken 24 days and 9 men x days. It is a case of inverse variation. Hence 15 into 24 is equal 9 into x. We can write x is equal 15 into 24 by 9. We get result 40. We get result 40. Therefore, we can say 9 men will do the repair road in 40 days. Example. Another example. If 30 goats can graze a field in 15 days, if 30 goats can graze a field in 15 days, then how many goats will graze the same field in 10 days? Solution is here. Let number of goats is equal x. Then we have number of goats, time in days, number of goats 30, time taken 15, and number of goats x or time taken 10 days. It is a case of inverse variation. Therefore, we can write 30 into 15 is equal x into 10. Therefore, x is equal 30 into 15 by 10. When we divide 30 by 10, we get result 3. So, 3 into 15 is equal 45. 3 into 15 is equal 45. Hence, required number of goats is equal 45. Clear? Student, take another example. A shopkeeper has enough money to buy 40 books, each costing rupees 125. How many books he can buy if he gets a discount of rupees 25 on each book? Solution is here. Let number of books for 100 is equal x. 125 minus 25. Each costing 125 and 25% discount. So 125 minus 25 is equal 100. Clear? Now we have number of books 40. Number of books 40 is here and each costing 125. Now number of books is equal x and price 100. Each book, price of each book is equal 100. It is a case of inverse variation. So we can write 40 into 125 is equal x into 100. Or x is equal 40 into 125 by 100 is equal 50. Therefore, the required number of books is equal 50. Required number of books is equal 50. Clear? Student, now take another example. If 45 men can do a piece of work in 49 days, in how many days will 35 men do it? If 45 men can do a piece of work in 49 days, in how many days will 35 men do it? Solution is here. Let the required number of days be x. Then we have number of men 45, number of days 49, and number of 35, time taken to complete in x days. Clearly, less men will take more days to finish the work. So it is a case of inverse variation. Therefore, 45 into 49, 45 is here and 49 is here, equal to 35 into x. We can write x is equal to 45 into 49 by 35. We get result 63. Therefore, required number of days equal 63. Clear? Now, take another example. If 14 workers can build a wall in 45 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work in 35 hours? If 14 workers can build a wall in 45 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work in 35 hours? Solution is here. Let the required number of workers be x. Then we have in given table number of workers is equal 14 and number time taken 45 hours. Number of workers be x, let, and time taken 35 hours. 35 is here. Now, for finishing the work in less hours, more workers will be needed. So, it is a case of inverse variation. Therefore, 45 into 14 is equal x into 35. We can write x is equal 45 into 14 by 35. After solving, we get result 18. Hence, the required number of workers is equal 18. Clear? Student, take another example. If x and y are inversely proportional, find the value of x1, x2, y1 and y2 in the table given below. In given table, we have to find x1, x2, y1 and y2. Solution is here. Since x and y are inversely proportional, then we have 12 into 8 is equal to 16 into y1. 12 into 8 is equal to 16 into y1. Therefore, y1 is equal to 12 into 8 by 16. We get result 6. Now taking 12 into 8 is equal x1 into 4. x1 is equal 12 into 8 by 4. We get result 24. Now taking 12 into 8, 48 into y2, or y2 is equal to 12 into 8 by 48. We get result 2. Now taking 12 into 8 is equal x2 into 16. Therefore, x2 is equal to 12 into 8 by 16 is equal to 6. We get result 6. Clear? Therefore, the required number of x1 is equal 24. x2 is equal 6. Similarly, y1 is equal to 6 and then y2 is equal to 2.